Hello friends, welcome back to Weldtech QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies. My name is Vincent. In today's video, we will be continuing the topic welding symbols in fabrication. I will be interpreting the remaining welding symbols of the same drawing. So let us continue with the remaining parts. Now this one, again it is a fillet weld on arrow side because it is given in the below of arrow. That means 2F is the welding position, that is fillet in horizontal position. Here you have to weld. Here you have to weld. Okay, here you have to weld in 2F. Quarter inch is the weld size according to the drawing. And here you are given both the side fillet weld 3F uphill. Here on this side as well as this side you have to do it vertical. That means here on this one, this side all the way up to here, and similarly from this side all the way up to here. Both the side fillet weld quarter inch size 3F, that means vertical fillet. Okay, and this one is quarter inch both the side fillet weld. Here both the side fillet weld 2 in 2F position, that is means horizontal position, that is here. From here to here and here to here you have to weld both the side. Okay, so that is these are the symbols on top view. Now in the side view, let us see what are the side view. In the side view, this welding symbol is given. Okay, this welding symbol means on this plate, this welding symbol means again bevel groove weld on arrow side. Why arrow side? Because the welding symbol is given below the arrow. Okay, and below the arrow line. So when the symbol is given below the arrow line, that means it is the preparation and welding is to be done on the arrow side. So and the arrow is pointed on this plate. Okay, so you will have to prepare on this one the groove, bevel groove, 50 degree bevel groove. Now let us see. That means from this view you will not be able to see that. We will go and see the other views. This is it. Okay, this plate is this. Okay, this is the 1A, plate 1A, and this is the side view, actual job, side view. And here you have to do the preparation, 50 degree, and you have to fill it up, 50 degree, 4G position. Okay, you have to weld this on overhead position. You have to weld in overhead position. That is the 4G. Okay. Here full penetration may not be required. That is given in the note. Okay. Here, see. Okay. So that is the meaning of this welding symbol. Okay. This is. Let us see the details of 1F, how it looks. Okay. This is the 1F here, and this is the shape of it in the side view. And here it is given. This is 1F. From front view you will not be able to see it. So let us see the side view. Here it is 1F. Okay, even better view. This is even better view, 1F. Okay, the hole from here 2 inch is the center of the hole. From here also 2 inch. That means from here 2 inch, from here 2 inch, and this hole is 1 inch is the diameter. You are supposed to cut it using OFC or oxy-fuel cutting, manual or OFC. Then if you want, you can make it smooth like this. So let us conclude this part now. Next few uploads will be based on 6GR welder qualification test and submerged arc welding, that is SAW. So don't miss it, please. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.